Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Nihal's Lab Notes. In this video, we are diving into an exciting Tableau project where we will create an interactive dashboard featuring images, links, and more. To accomplish this, we will be leveraging Teams Word University Rankings datasets from Kaggle, specifically the 2024 edition, so buckle up as we embark on this data visualization journey. Before we get started, let's download the dataset from Kaggle. You can find the link in the description below. This dataset, Teams World University Rankings for the year 2024. You can find here about the datasets. It's provided in a CSV format, so be sure to explore the details in this dataset to get a better understanding of what we are working with today. And here's the detail. Let's get started by taking a look at tables. Here you can see both measures and dimensions. Everything above this line is referred to as dimensions, while everything below this line is called measures, as we have discussed in our previous videos. So first, we would like to explore research ranking here scores by selecting a specific number of universities using a parameter. To do this, let's drag and drop score research rank to columns and name into rows. For the first, you can add all members or filter and then add all members. Then add score research rank into color into label. Then put rank into filters. I'm going to select just the 12 best universities. Okay. 10, 12. And go to top here. Select by field, then create a new parameter here. Let's name it with select number of universities, just 13 or 14. Okay, then here change scores research rank to rank and apply. Then click to OK. Select here parameter and choose show parameter. And here's the results. So you can also sort it with descending. I prefer ascending. And here you can see that it's an interactive. Here we can see the scores research rank of University of Oxford, Chinga University, Stanford, ETH, and Yale University. We can also see for 6 universities and or for 9 universities or 11. We have just selected the 12 best or the 12 top universities in the world. So we can change standard to entire view. Now let's rename this sheet with scores, research, ranking of of 12 universities. Okay. So, and now let's move to the next sheet. Now let's examine the industry ranking here. Scores by selecting a certain number of countries with using a parameter. Now let's drag and drop scores industry income rank to size, then into color, then into label, and a location also into label. and put location into filters. Go to top, select by field, then create a new parameter here. Image width. Select number of countries. Choose OK here. And select the location. Apply, then choose OK. So as you see here, you can see this interpretation is called a heat map. Now let's select the parameter here. Choose show parameter, and you can see here we have selected 10 countries. You can select 24 or less, 1 or 8, as you wish. Now let's add some modifications. Let's go to label. Here, select text. Put it into the center, for example, and 14. Apply. Okay. So now it's more visible. For this example, you can also go to show me and select baked bubbles. So here's the results. You can see that India has the highest scarce industry income rank. I think I'm going to keep this, okay, and add a scarce industry income to label to be more visible, okay. And here you can select another number of countries, less or more as you wish. Let's rename the sheet with earns industry ranking due to location. Okay. It's into the center, title of the sheets, and apply. Okay. For this also, center, choose 16, apply, and okay. Now let's see how to create the famous donut charts. So the first step is to select here the P charts. Then the second step is to create a calculated field, name it by 0, or the value is 0, click OK. And here's the new calculated field. Let's drag and drop this calculated field into rows twice. Okay, twice. Sorry, twice. Okay. Then select here the dual axis. Then select this and choose synchronize the axis. Now let's choose entire view. Click here and select show header. Just select it. Then drag and drop record type to color here. Then a record type to angle. And choose the measure count distance. Then the record type to label. And for the second 0, record type to label. Go here and change the measure into counts. Choose the color to white. Then select the size. Okay, come back to the first, bigger than the first. And here's the donut charts. Now let's select the label here and add total record type. Select with blue, resize it with 10, apply, and okay. And here's the results. So here we have public, master account, and private. So we have three type of record. Now let's create a calculated field here. Name it with counts record type. Okay. And here's a new calculated field is created. Let's drag and drop this calculated field into label. With adding this calculated field, we can see that the master account has the highest total record type comparing with the public and private. Now let's rename this sheet with scores of record type. Put it into center and choose 16, apply, and okay. Now let's create a donut chart that represents scores overall rank for top 5 universities here. So let's open a new sheet here. Okay. Let's come back to this and select this and put it here. Come back to this. So to do this, let's do the same thing. Let's drag and drop 0 into rows twice. Okay. Oh, forget to select the P chart here. Okay. Then choose the dual axis. Okay. Click here and synchronize the axis. Okay. Come back to the second 0 and choose score overall rank, put it into label for this. Then go to size and resize it. And for the first 0 also resize it like this. Choose the entire view here. Then put its scores overall rank to color. Then to angle and choose a new measure. Choose count distinct measure. Then put it also the name of universities into label. Then rank into filters. Just select the top 5 universities. Apply and okay. Then select also and put the rank into label here. Okay. And score overall rank into label. Then come back to sum of 0 2 and choose color white. Click to label and add here total score overall rank. Select this with blue, apply and click OK. Resize this to okay. It's more visible like this. Okay. Select this, click to show header. If you want to move this thin line here, just select here and click to format. And here you can see lines. Select none. For trend line, select also none. For zero line, select none. And you can see it's disappeared, the line here. We can remove the rank from here and add a new title to this sheets. Scores overall rank for top 5 universities. Okay. It's into center with 6. Okay. Now let's create another donut chart that represents scores international outlook rank for top universities. We are just going to duplicate this sheets. Okay, go to sum of zeros here. Then put this into label. Come back here and put this into color. Remove this. Put this into angle. To change the measure into count distinct here. Then remove this and put this into label. Then change the color and select this. Okay. Apply. Okay. Come back here and select label. Total international outlook rank. Okay, select this and apply and this. Okay. And here's the results, as you see here. Just change the name of the sheets. The scores international outlook rank for top universities. Just move this. Okay, so this is here the total international outlook rank. So as you see here, I've already created another donut charts with the same steps, okay? For scores, citations, rank for top 5 universities here, as you see. So I've just drag and drop scores, citations, rank to color, and scores, citation, rank to angle, and choose accounts distinct here, as you see. Name to label. I've already put name to label, and scores citations into label. And for the second, I've just put scores citation rank into label. So it's the same steps. So for people who don't understand yet, I will create another donut chart of that represents state of number of students. Okay. So let's create a new sheet here. Duplicate this sheet and use here the state number of students and put it into label. Then come back here and put state number of students into color. Then state number of students into angle. Choose measure counts distinct. Name and put state number of students into label. Here, as you see, we have the number of students for each university. For example, we have the number of students for University of Cambridge. Here we have the number of students for Oxford, here for Harvard, and etc. Now let's rename this sheets. Okay. States number students for top 5 universities. Okay. Let's remove this too. Okay. You can change the color here. Edit color. Choose green, for example. Okay. Apply. Click OK. Let's add here label total states number students. Select spreads. Select green. Apply and OK. Now let's see number of students using location. States number students using location. Okay, so to do this, let's drag and drop location into rows and some number, states number of students into columns, then a location into color here, and states number of students into label, sorted with descending, filter with states number of students. Some next and select OK. Click here and show filter. So you can select here an interval, okay, of states number of students, and here's the location. Here's a legend of location: Algeria, Brazil, and Japan. And as you see, it's an interactive. Okay, you can choose entire view here. Okay, Now let's create the first dashboard here. Sorry. Let's select automatic. Okay. I prefer working with floating, not still. Choose an image. Already download an image here. Okay. So as you see, I've already created the dashboard. It's so simple. If you want to know how I add this background, just go to light here and you can add here any color of your background, okay? It's so simple, and I've already put many videos about how to create an interactive and visible dashboard. You can check it. I also add a title for this dashboard, as you see here, Unlocking Insights Interactive University Rankings Dashboard with Tableau. I've also created a new dashboard here. The second dashboard upwards states number students using location, score citation, rank for top 5 universities, states number students for 5 top universities, scores international outlook rank for top 5 universities. Come back to the first dashboard. So in this video, we are going to try a new thing, okay, navigation. Where it's here, image, choose an image, this, click here and choose the interactive university rankings dashboard, the second dashboard, okay, and click OK. We can also add a text here. View more. Select. Right into the center with black. Change the size. Okay. Words here. Now let's add a background to this text. Now it's visible, okay? So if we click here, we navigate to the second dashboard. Okay, come back here. In this dashboard, I'm going to add a link with images for each university. Okay, so come back to dashboard and select image, Brits here. Choose an image, Oxford with her link. Okay. Then put it here. As Oxford University, I've added University of Cambridge, Stanford, Harvard, and Massachusetts. Okay, so if you click here, you just navigate to Oxford websites. And if you click here, you navigate to the Cambridge University websites. It's the same for all. If you click into Harvard University, you can see here the website of Harvard University. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and to subscribe to see more videos. Inshallah, see you in the next video.